What's going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Wrangler 4xe hybrid, okay? And we're gonna reset the oil life. Super duper easy. Got the car running right now. We need to find menu 2, so we're gonna press down. We'll get rid of this message here. It's okay, go to menu 2, and then scroll over to the left and to the right, or to the right, until you get to oil life. So if you notice, on this one, it already says 100% because I've already reset it. Just a second ago. I figured I'd make a video on how easy this is. Right here it says hold OK to reset. We're not going to do that. Go ahead and turn your car off. Keep your foot off the brake. No brake. 1, 2 with engine start stop. Everything will power back up. Hit OK, get through the messages. Now just go to your gas pedal, press it down to the floor 5 times. Again, car's not running. 2, 3, 4, 5. You know the car's not running when the check engine light is still on. Now we're going to push the brake and hit start. But when you did that, it should change the oil life right to 100%. Okay, this is an easy way of doing this.